In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Tapo Smart Water Leak Sensor. So this is a really cool sensor from Tapo that detects water leaks in your home. And it also has an alarm built into it that, as you can see, is 90 dB. So if maybe you missed the notification on your phone that there is a water leak, you also hear the alarm from this device letting you know that there's a water leak wherever you put it. So in this video, we'll start with a quick unboxing. We'll take a look at the water leak sensor, its build quality, things like that. Then I'll show you how to set it up in the Tapo app and with the Smart ITO hub. You will need to have this device to be able to use the sensor. And then I'll show you it in action and actually put it in some water so you can hear it and see it actually work. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Also, check the description. I'll have a direct link to this device as well as the hub where you can get these on Amazon and other stores. So as you can see in the box, it comes with the sensor and also some batteries, and they do have a 3-year life, which is really nice. They are AAA, so if you need to replace them in the future, not too bad. We have the actual water sensor right there, and then we have a quick start guide. So looking at the actual sensor here, we do have a Tapo button, which you can use to put it in different modes and also stop it from making noise. And then next to the button, you'll see these little dots, and those are also on the bottom. These are going to be the water sensors. So if water gets on the top or it gets on the bottom, it'll detect that. Additionally, we have the little holes for the actual speaker for the alarm. Then on the bottom, we have the battery case. And the first thing we're going to need to do is just go ahead and take out this little blue flap, and that will allow the batteries to connect. And now the device has power. So the plastic feels really good. This feels very sturdy. It does have a nice weight to it. So if you set it somewhere, it's not going to move or blow away, anything like that. So now that we've activated the batteries by removing this little blue strip, we can set it up by first going to our phone. And you want to make sure that you have the TP-Link Tapo app installed on your phone. So it'll look like this, and this is available both on Android and iPhone. Check the description. I'll have direct links down there. Once you get it, go ahead and open up the device. And you'll need to create an account if this is your first device. But once you get in, go ahead and select the little plus symbol in the top right, then select Add Device. Then with Tapo selected, you can either search water sensor or you can just scroll down to Sensors. And this is the T300, select that. And then you should already have a hub set up. So you'll need to have a hub already set up on your account. Just select the hub. It'll tell you to pull out that blue strip, select Next, and then we just need to press and hold the Tapo button for 5 seconds, and we should see a light blink in the middle of the device. There it goes. Nice and easy to see. So now we can select LED is blinking. It's going to go ahead and connect this device to my hub, which is downstairs, so we'll see if it actually connects from a good distance. Looks like it connected. And then we can go ahead and give it a name. So I'm going to put mine in a basement next to a dehumidifier. It does have a pump, but just in case that overflows, I want to know about it. So I gave it that name. I'll select Next. I can tell it where it's at. It's in my basement, and then I'll select Next. From there, you can give it an icon, and this can be useful for finding the device in your actual Tapo app. And if you get notifications on maybe a smartwatch, sometimes these icons will come through. So I'm just going to use the default water symbol and then select Next. And then I'm just going to perform a firmware check. So it looks like everything's up to date. I can select Sounds Good. And now in my list of stuff here in Tapo on the main screen, I can scroll down, and under Sensors, I can now see we have a water sensor. So in here, it's going to tell me the battery level without even selecting into it. If I select into it, I can see an event log, so anytime anything happened. Also within here, which is pretty cool, you have the ability to set up smart actions. So I can make it so if I have some smart plugs or light bulbs upstairs, I can make it so if this thing detects water, it'll flash the lights in my house or things like that. Just anything I can do to make it so that I recognize that something's wrong and there's a leak somewhere. Additionally, if I go into the settings up here in the top right, you can see that I can change the location, the name, and I can also change the volume of the alarm. So I'll play that real quick. And on high, that's very loud, so that's good. I'll do high. And my dogs are barking now. It's okay, buddies. Additionally, in here, you can do an effective range test, and this just allows you to test to make sure that where you place this, it's actually able to connect to your hub. So I recommend doing it after you place it. That just gives you peace of mind that this is actually going to work and lets you know in the app if it detects any water. Additionally, at the bottom here, you can remove this device from your account if you ever want to delete it, get rid of it, sell it, something like that. All right, so let's do a quick test of it. Just gonna set it on a plate here and pour some water on the plate. All right. So as you can see, it worked very well, and I was able to turn it off by just tapping the button right there. Additionally, in the app, getting some notifications here that the water was detected at that time. Sorry about my dogs. And then when it was actually solved, so when I hit the button. So as you just saw there, it was very responsive. As soon as the water hit it, it went off. I got the notification on my phone, and it also was very loud. The hub downstairs also started making noise. So really, I feel very confident that this thing's going to let me know if there's a water leak in my basement before it destroys anything in my house. So overall, I'm very impressed with this device. I love that it has 3 years of battery life and that you can check the current battery level in the app. Just gives you peace of mind. Also that it's AAA, so really easy to replace, no special batteries there. I love the customization and how you can have lights triggered or different things like that in your house using other Tapo devices. So overall, very happy with this device, and I would highly recommend it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.